Hello friends, welcome to my channel Full Stack AI. In this video, I'll walk you through the data frame info method from Pandas library and what all insights does it give us. So first of all, we'll take a CSV. So we have this employee CSV with us. As you can see, there is a lot of data for employees like satisfactory level, last evaluation, number of projects done by the employees, average monthly hours. So basically, we would read this CSV through the Pandas library and see what all information do we get using the data frame info method. So this is a Jupyter notebook where we have imported our Pandas library, and we are reading the CSV file employees.csv using pd.read CSV file into the df variable. And now on doing the df.info, we get all this information. So we'll go through one by one what all this information is. So the first thing that it gives us is the number of rows that are there. So it is presenting 14999 entries, which is number of rows that are present in the CSV file. The next is the range, basically the index of the rows, which is from 0 to 14998, as the indexing starts from 0. The next is the number of columns that are there in the CSV file. So as you can see, we have 10 columns in the CSV. It also gives us information about the columns names, column indexes. So first is the column index, which represents indexing from 0 to 9. And the next we have the column names, satisfactory level, last evaluation, number of projects, what we saw in the CSV file. The next information that it gives us is the D type, which is the type of data that is present for each column. So for satisfactory level, we have float data, and last evaluation, we have float data, and for the next few columns, we have integer data. And the last two columns, department and salary, we have object type of data. And we can also see the number of columns for each data type. Like for float, it is 2, integer 6, and object 2 columns are there. And after that, it gives us a very powerful information, the null analysis. So it gives us if any column has non-null value or any missing value. So if any missing value would be there in any data, so it will represent a null value. So you can subtract this number from here to get the number of null entries that are there in this column. So which is based on data analysis and machine learning. And the next set of value that it gives is basically the memory usage by the data. So that's from now. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel to get more such videos. And if you have any doubts, do comment in the comment box. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.